Like the last step, hold the Rubik's Cube in a way in which the yellow face is the top one and the white face the bottom one. Search for an edge in the bottom layer with two colors of the faces we want to solve. For example, green and red. If you can't find any, go down to the "there is not any edge with two colors matching two faces" section. Rotate the bottom layer until that edge and the literal central color matches, forming a capital T letter. Follow one of the following solutions. According to the position, the edge would have to go from where it's located, right or left. Case 1. The edge has to move to the left from where it is now placed. Our example here, the green-red edge needs to go to the left, as you can see. So the first thing you need to memorize is if the edge needs to go to the left, we need to move the edge to the right. I know it doesn't make any sense, but we'll just do it step by step. And the capital T letter should be facing you. Rotate the bottom layer to the right to get it out of the way, because we're going to lower this side down, and then we're going to move back or rotate back the edge to its place, and then rotate the face up. As you can see here, the edge and the corner now together, and we need to place them up. How to do that? You need to place the Rubik's Cube face so that the corner facing you, rotate the bottom layer to the left, still together, and then rotate the right face down as if you're trying to replace the corner back, yes, like this, and then move it up, and there you go, the edge in its place.